Mr. Mitsis, Battlefield Redefined is the first international defense and security conference held in Cyprus with cooperation of CARI and Cyprus Defense Industry Cluster. What are your first impressions of the conference?
As already said during my presentation, I have to congratulate Multimedia and CARI for this excellent event. Keep going, and you have a lot to gain in Cyprus and in general the defense community from such events.
Recently, you presented for the first time the heavy version of advanced protection system ASPIS, installed in a Leopard 2A4 turret. What are the main advantages of ASPIS?
That's correct. As you realize, during Eurosatory we launched the last component of the ASPIS NG. This is in relation to heavy vehicles, and it completes the overall holistic protection approach which EODH for 10 years is working. There are a lot of benefits because this is a combination of different systems, and you have to see these not as isolated from the complete MBT. Mainly as you saw and as I said, the protection core shifted from the side to the top, meaning the turret is now under attack from different threats, such as UAV, and not only. The active defense systems until now was creating protection radius from RPG and other threats. However, we realized that this is not enough. So with ASPIS NG Heavy, we are doing a hybrid protection. We have a hybrid protection concept, which is a combination of active, passive, reactive, and air. So all these elements together are making very difficult for the threat to penetrate. So it's a milestone for EODH and also a milestone for the industry.
How important is cooperation with major companies in defense industry like KMW for EODH?
I have to say that our cooperation with KMW, it is very important. It's of a paramount importance, I should say. It goes back to 20 years. We are trusted partners, and EODH has been categorized as a preferred supplier in this sector, and it is a great honor to work with them in partnership and provide solutions for them. And since we are here and you want to have something as a scoop, it's good for you to know that we have just started experimenting and testing new systems with Kraus Maffei, but I cannot talk about at the moment.
Mr. Mitsis, thank you very much.
Welcome.